Hello guys, here is I have Moto G stylus 5G, and this one problem is screen is cracked. You can see on top side, and I'm going to show you how to replace this screen. Let me turn off the phone. Now we're gonna remove this back cover, apply some heat on all side. And with this knife we're gonna lift it up. So we're gonna keep doing it like that. And there is two kind of screen on the market. One is with the frame one and another one is without frame one, and I'm gonna show you how to replace with the frame one. With the frame one is easy to replace. And we almost done to remove this back cover, and there are some glue. We're gonna clean it. Also gonna clean it later on, all previous glue. Remove this plastic, and we're gonna remove this all screw. There is not done yet. Under the camera glass there is some screw left, so we're gonna apply some heat and just remove this glass. You can see there is two screw left, two or three, yeah, three screw. Total is four screw left here. We're gonna remove this all four screw. This all are same screw, star screw. Now I'm gonna remove this back panel, and bottom side also we're gonna remove this. Remove all the screw first. This all are same screw, star screw. This one with the loudspeaker. And now we're gonna remove this motherboard. We're gonna remove battery connection first. Now we're gonna remove charging port connection and screen connection. This is the charging port connection, and this is the power button connection. We remove all connection, and there is one screw is hold the motherboard. We're gonna remove that screw, and we're gonna remove now two antenna connection, and there is one plastic tape just top of the air speaker. We're gonna remove that, and now I'm gonna remove this SIM card. You guys can remove the SIM card first time, but also you can remove later on. So remove the motherboard now. We separate the motherboard. Now I'm gonna remove this air speaker, apply some alcohol, and slowly you're gonna remove this connection first. Then with the tweezer we're gonna remove this speaker. First we're gonna apply some heat on behind, so easy to remove it. Now with the tweezer you're gonna lift it up slowly. Yes, we separate the air speaker. And bottom side you can see here is water damage previously. We're gonna clean it later on. First we're gonna remove the charging port. There is one screw left, we just remove, and charging port connection disconnected. And there is two antenna connection, and separate the charging port. Now we're gonna remove this vibration, apply some alcohol and remove this connection. and separate the vibration. Now we're gonna remove this battery. First we're gonna apply some heat. This a little bit hard to remove this battery because there is heavy glue on under the battery, so we're gonna apply some heat. And first we're gonna remove this knife. You cannot use sharp knife, just lifting up a little bit, then we're gonna use plastic, because if you use a steel knife it's gonna damage the battery. You can see we just lifting up. Now we're gonna use it plastic tools to remove this battery. We're gonna slowly lifting up. We don't want to damage the battery, just lifting up slowly. We need more heat, so we're gonna apply more heat on top of the screen so easy to remove this battery. Yeah, it's almost removed it. Now you can remove easily the battery. And now we're gonna make it straight. It's a little bit bent. With the finger we're gonna make it straight the battery. Now we're gonna straight the battery with this plastic tools. You just slide it down, just make it straight. Yeah, now it looks like battery brand new again. It's nothing damaged. And here is the new screen. Now you're gonna install the speaker. Here is the speaker, and just put on center. Now you're gonna put it back on the connection on the center. It's done. Here is one plastic, we're gonna remove it. And now we're gonna install this motherboard. First going on top side, then just press it down. Now you're gonna install this screw, and gonna put it back this plastic tape on top of the speaker. Now you're gonna connect the power button connection, and here is the screen connection. We're gonna connect the screen connection now. And then with the plastic tools we're gonna slide it down this screen flex. So just make it straight, and you can see its screen connection is not going all the way, so we're gonna put it down under the motherboard. Here is one hole, we're gonna put it down the screen flex. Do not bend it all the way, just little bit bend it and push it down inside. You can see it goes inside under the motherboard. And now we're gonna put it back this antenna connection. There is two connections we have to remove from old screen. And now we're gonna install back on new screen. And there is the black one. We're gonna do the same thing. And top of that we're gonna put it back plastic tape, so it's not gonna come out. And here is the charging port connection flex. We're gonna connect on main goes to motherboard side, and other side goes to on charging port side. Now I'm gonna install this vibration first, and we already cleaned this charging port water damage thing with this alcohol. And now we're gonna put it back antenna connection white one first, then we're gonna do on black one. And now we're gonna organize this to connection, and here is one screw for the charging port. We're gonna put it back and connect the charging port connection. On top of that, we're gonna put back speaker panel. This is the loudspeaker panel, and put back all screw. We are done here. Now you're gonna install this battery. We don't need to put the extra glue under the battery. Previous glue was very good and is more sticky, so we don't put the extra glue. And now we're gonna put back this black panel and just press it down and when it's center, and put it back all the screw. This all the screw are same. We are done all the screw, and here is the glass on top of that camera glass. We're gonna apply some glue and wait like 2 minutes, then we're gonna put it back. Down here, before put the back cover, we're gonna check the screen, make sure it's working properly. Turn on the phone. It's turning on, and you can see screens come on and touch is working. We go to the screen. Yeah, it's working everything properly. Let me check it's charging or not. Yes, it's charging. Now I'm gonna apply some glue on all side, and after I put the glue, we're gonna wait like 2 minutes, and then we're gonna put it back cover. After 2 minutes, now we're gonna put it back cover, and we're gonna press it down, and it's not sticky yet, so we're gonna clip it on like 2-3 hours is better, so its glue will be dry and sticky. After 3 hours, now we're gonna remove it again and clean the all glue come out. When you put the clip, we're gonna clean it nicely. Now you can see there is no gap between frame and back cover. That's all right now. Let me know how you guys like it, and thank you for watching.